What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris P and I'm back with another video, alright? And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that sub button, alright? Because I'm all about giving knowledge away for free, alright? If you're new to the channel as well, alright, make sure that you sign up, alright, to Trusted Signals because they're about to drop a new indicator and a version 2, alright? So you're not going to want to miss it. And if you do not sign up, then you're gonna end up paying more later down the line. All right, and you can use my code CHRISP and it's gonna save you $150, I believe. All right, so make sure that you do that now. All right, and as well as subscribe because I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway. All right, and that giveaway is gonna be announced once I hit 2,000 subs. All right, and it's gonna be for a $500 MT4 account giveaway. All right, I'm gonna give one person $500 to go ahead and trade. All right, so I want you guys to, definitely tap in with my next few videos. All right, they're gonna be bangers. All right, and today I'm actually the first person who's showing this on YouTube. All right, the Trusted Signals Market Scanner. All right, so let's go ahead and jump directly into the computer. Boom, boom. All right, guys. So as you guys can see here, I am on tradingview.com. All right, and if you're not familiar with what TradingView is, all right, TradingView is a website that gives you the ability to chart up and give your analysis for specific currency pairs. All right, and basically what you would want to go ahead and do to get Trusted Signals, all right, once you actually make your purchase, you're going to want to go ahead and go to FX and you're going to want to click invite only scripts. All right, and once you're in invite only scripts, then you will see the invite only scripts here. And as you guys can see here, this is all the indicators that Trusted Signals offers. All right, and right now it is a bunch of them. All right, so you're going to want to click all right, well, right now, actually, it's not up yet. All right, but this is the actual specific indicator. It's called the market scanner. All right, and as you guys can see here, it's telling you what to actually do on these specific pairs. All right, now this is all fully customizable as well, so you can actually come here and let's say, for example, me personally, I trade US30. All right, so I want to show US30. Boom, boom, and I use Owanda. All right, now another cool thing is, all right, with the script version, remember, right now you guys have access to V1. All right, so then you would just basically change your settings to settings that you like. I like higher sensitivity because it's not going to give me so many alerts. All right, and I'm using version 1 right now because I haven't necessarily back tested on version 2. And right now I'm using manual. All right, so Trusted Signals is about to drop a version 2, and in that version 2, you're going to be able to select what type of signals you want on your chart. I'm not going to go deeply in that, but that's going to be for my next video. That's why you have to stay tuned. All right. But yeah, so me personally, I'm using still V1 and I'm using manual settings, and my manual settings for the specific types of signals that I want to get, because I don't want to go ahead and be buying and selling. I want to kind of get into a longer position. I'm trying to change my style from scalping to swing trading. So basically what you would want to go ahead and do is change it to whatever settings you feel comfortable. And that's going to be the alerts that is going to be sent to you. All right. So for example, let's say your first top 5 are going to be the ones that you're going to trade most. So for me, it's going to be US 30. It's going to be NAS 100. It's going to be gold for sure. And I use Owanda. Let's see, where is that? Boom. All right, and then let's see here. Of course, let's do an actual pair. I love GJ. That's like my favorite pair. All right, and let's go ahead and select. What other things do I trade? I do trade a bit of XRP on the weekends. All right, so that's 5. So let's click OK. And now, as you guys can see here, it's going to actually show on the actual chart a screener. So how I would use this, okay, is I would actually have my trusted signals indicator either on or off, okay, and the screener, I would use it to toggle on and off. So for example, let's say I was just wanting to see which position I want to kind of zone into. All right, let's say right now NAS is on a short position. It has a short position active. So that means on the indicator itself, there's a short position that is active on the 4-hour chart, okay, for this specific pair. All right, so now let's go ahead and go to the 15 minutes, for example. Boom, boom. And let's wait for it to load. And remember, the market scanner is going to take a little bit to load because remember, it's scanning all of the markets that you have in there. And right now, the way it has it for you to have 30 pairs. All right. Eventually, it will have an area where you can toggle on. And let's say you only want to have 3 pairs or 2 pairs or specific pairs, then you can toggle it on. But for right now, it's going to give you the ability for all 3. All right. So now on the 15-minute, you notice how those NAS 1 position, it was a short. Now on the 15-minute, it has a buy. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the NAS 100 chart. And I'm not going to turn on the buy and sell alerts right now because I actually have a few things that I'm working on right now. Let's see here. Let's wait for it to load, obviously. All right, and as you guys can see here, right now it shows the position that it's the trusted signals market scanner is currently in. So right now, currently, as you can see, once it comes on, it shows that NAS 100 is in a long position that is active, okay? So this is going to be a very, very cool thing for you guys to do, all right? And as you guys can see here, some of the things are actually changing as well in front of you because those positions are being controlled, all right? So let's go ahead and go to a 1-hour chart. Let's see exactly what it shows as well. So this is going to be a very, very easy way for you to just keep track of your specific, specific alerts and specific pairs that you actually want to go ahead and use. All right. I actually haven't even checked to see if there is going to be, let's see here. Boom. Let's remove these. Let's go ahead and see if there's going to be alerts for this because this would be very cool as well. All right, so as of right now, there is no alerts, but that's going to be a very cool thing once they do add that because then you're going to be able to get alerts on any specific chart, so you don't actually have to go ahead and chime into that specific chart. You can just go to the market scanner alerts, and I'm sure that that's going to be implemented. All right, and as well as in the Discord as well. The Discord is actually right now going to be adding a market scanner. So you're going to be able to go ahead and see these type of alerts directly in your Trusted Signals Discord. All right, guys. So this is something that's going to be very, very cool. And this is just going to help you guys with your trading. All right. And then, of course, it's going to be able to, give you guys the ability to know exactly what is happening in the market at all times. So all you have to do is literally just put show. You're gonna have this on your back end, and then after you're done analyzing and you're ready to move on to your next thing, you're gonna be able to come here and be able to see what is active, what you're gonna be looking for, and they're gonna implement a lot more different things in this specific indicator. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure that you hit that like button, that sub button. All right, this is a gem, and remember, guys, this is stuff that you're only going to see on my channel. And drop a comment. Tell me what you guys want to see in the next videos. All right. And until the next video, I am out. Peace.